Okay, Paul here from EMD Automotive. This is the actual Cayenne Diesel that I actually replaced the front seal. Had the car running for about 15 minutes now, about 63, 70 degrees temperature. Now we're going to check for the actual the leak. If you look in the mirror, you can see the actual pulley turning like that. And there's no oil leak coming from the bottom. Alright, as you can see, the car's been running for about 15-20 minutes. It was cold, now it's hot, about 65 degrees now. So now we're going to actually, as you can see on the mirror, there's no leak coming from the actual crank seal, front crank seal. So all the pull, that's a new belt there. Everything's looking good. So tomorrow we're going to start up in the morning. We're going to put the fan on, put that pipe on properly. Now we just run the car without the fan so we can see if it's leaking oil or not. So it's not leaking oil. So the front disc, front pad's done. Front disc, front pad's done. Rear disc and rear pad's done. Tomorrow I'm going to do the calibration for the actual air gaps and things like that for the rear. If you don't do it, it's not going to have the maximum clamping force. So you always have to do the actual the calibration. It's a grind. You got to do the grinding first, and adjustment and calibration after. Alright? So this car should be ready tomorrow, but we still got to double check everything in the morning. Make sure I'm happy with the actual car not leaking oil. If I'm not happy, I'll put a new seal on, but if I'm happy, then I'll pass it and the customer can pick it up. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.